That's been something that's been plaguing me for a while. I've been doing a lot of cutting on siding for the shop, and that blade has been not covered when I pull it back. The blade guard gets stuck. Like it kind of catches a little bit on the saw itself. And how you fix it is spraying it with silicone lubricant. Silicone is good for spraying on plastic and all that, because WD-40, if you spray it on plastic, can degrade the plastic over time. So silicone lubricant is a spray lubricant, and it's really good for plastics, metals, kind of an overall lubricant. And you don't have to be terribly precise about it, just spray it on. I don't have to worry about getting the guard or anything. It's really good for this application. And since the blade guard is a little sticky, it'll work good in this situation. The first thing you need to do is blow off all the dust to make sure that you're not adding the lubricant to the dust and making kind of a sludge gunk thing. You don't want that. So just give it a quick shot of air to blow off all the loose dust. Then take your lubricant, and I'm going to spray it where the affected area is. I can tell it's catching. On the guard, maybe up inside. And then it wouldn't hurt to hit some of the lubrication points on it. That should do it. Just kind of work it in. Now, we'll do a test cut to see if it actually worked. See if we need to do anything else. So it's been sticking on the 45-degree cut. So cut it on the 45. The blade guard is still sticking a bit. So in looking at it, I think it's catching a little bit in this area here. So I'm going to spray it down real good and make sure it's lubricated all around. Kind of wipe up the excess because it sprays everywhere. Kind of work it in. You may need to do this several times before you really get it. This saw's been sitting for years. I've used it on and off, and I haven't really done this to it in probably 10 years. So it's a little sticky. So I kind of got to work it in a little bit. So anyway, let's give it a test cut. And there you go. It's all loosened up. Still needs a little bit more loosening, but it's not sticking like it used to. So whenever you have plastic or rubber seals, neoprene, stuff like that, silicone spray lubricant is the best thing to use on it. It won't harm the plastic. It's it's non-greasy. Kind of has a little bit of a greasy feel, but it's not like an oil-based. So you don't want to use oil-based penetrant lubricants on plastic because it'll degrade the plastic over time. So silicone lubricant is a great lubricant to use whenever you need it for sticky machinery and all that. I'll see you next time.